Hello everyone, welcome to another TechFixy channel tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on your Windows 10 desktop. Like I have, for example, I'm going to show you how I make this program shortcut on my Windows 10 desktop. So I'm going to delete this shortcut and I'm going to again create this shortcut on my Windows 10 desktop. First, you just have to go to Start menu and find the desired program that you want to create shortcut on your desktop. So I'm making this program shortcut on my Windows 10. Just right click on the program, then you will find the option more, and there is a find option called open file location. So click on open file location. You will find the application here. Just right click on the application. You will find the option called create shortcut. Click on create shortcut. Windows can create a shortcut here. Of course, you want to create a shortcut on the Windows desktop. So click on yes, minimize it, and you can see I just created the shortcut of my desired program that I wanted to shortcut. So you can easily make shortcut on the Windows 10, the program that you wanted to create shortcut. So that's it. This is for this tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.